Hey guys, Mark from Wix Nicks. Today we're going to do a review on this Husqvarna 135 chainsaw. I've recently purchased this in the last few days. I was going to go out and buy a Husqvarna 130. I've seen them advertised in the nationwide catalogue on sale for $374, and I thought, what a buy. I'll give the local dealer a call and get him to get one prepped up for me. So I rang him up and he said, listen, I've just sold the last one yesterday. He said I can give you a 135 for cost price. First thing I said, well, what's the difference? And he said the first thing come to mind, he said it was a starter recall. The 135's got an easy start on it, where the 130 doesn't. Come around the other side here to the sprocket casing and the adjuster. Now the 130 is a plastic one, and the 135 has been upgraded to a metal one, and it's got the quick adjust here instead of traditionally there or the other side of the bar, which most of us are used to. Another thing what come to mind was the primer bulb here. I'm not used to seeing these on chainsaws. It reminds me of the old Olimax and Dolmars back in the day. But it's got an easy start mechanism here for hot and cold, which is pretty easy to adhere to. Now, in the manual it says it weighs about just under 4.7 kilos without the cutter bar on it. Now I've got a set of bathroom scales here. We'll give that a crack. I know they're not going to be exactly accurate, but they're going to give us a rough idea. So yeah, we're looking around the 5 kilo mark for that, so that's not too bad for a saw that size. Now, 16-inch bar on this beast. I think that's plenty for domestic use. Just a bit of firewood and a few odd jobs where you need a saw. So in the past I've had longer bars and whatnot on I had a Johnsrud 65cc about 20 years ago. It had a 20-inch bar on it, but you know, 65cc saw, you're probably looking at falling logs for a living nearly to sort of warrant that in a domestic household. But the 38cc, I think it's more than enough. I can take it camping, or when I'm out four-wheel driving, chuck it in the back and be able to, big enough saw to clear a decent log off the track if I need to. So just going to put this back on, and I think we'll go give it a test run to see what you guys think of it. Right guys, I hope that helps you sum up your purchase if you're buying one. brand new or second hand, which one you'd prefer to go. Personally, I wouldn't care if I had either. I just fortunately come across this extra good deal at the time. So hope this video helps. Thanks guys.